Hey guys, I'm back. Right, so I don't know if you noticed, but anyway, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna plate up some cottage pie and we're gonna have a little word, yeah? So I was away on the weekend, and my mum's made me like 2 of these. So, oh, look at that. That's a lot of mash though, mum. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like she does a lot of mash. I'm fucking hungry, so I'm gonna eat it. Anyway, so I was away. That'll do for a minute because it just says. Hold on. Yeah. So we went to Torquay Holiday Park Dean in Torquay. And I know I should probably film that I just coughed on that. I'll have this one. I've got another one. And to be fair, it wasn't the plastic, do you know what I mean? Anyway, I went to Torquay Holiday Park and it was good. I didn't want to film. I should really film, to be fair, because then people are going to see, and that's how it works. Companies see you doing things and they're like, yeah, let's offer you a free holiday so you can advertise. But do you know what? I just wanted to have a good time. So yeah, we went to Park Dean, Torquay. Hold on, let me get my food. The sun will come out tomorrow. We're running a day away. Here we go. Cottage pie, shepherd's pie, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, Park Dean. Right, let's talk about it. Not Park Dean. It is Park Dean, but it's like the Torquay one. Staff, fabulous. Really nice staff. The entertainment, that was banging. That was actually banging. Like, the entertainment was really good. Swimming pool, I mean, it was okay. Like, I don't find the swimming pool that fantastic anywhere these days. But it had a slide, it had a little pool, it had a jacuzzi. It was okay. It was one of the better ones I've been to. Very, very hilly. Like, literally. We pushed the pram up there, the pushchair of my friends, and I swear to God, like, you don't even need to go to the gym, right? So, very hilly. Had everything you need. The only thing it was lacked is a soft play, but that's my fault, not their fault. I should have looked. Mind you, I did look, and I thought it was there, but it wasn't. Accommodation. So we had a gold apartment. I'm not being funny, mate, but if that was gold, I would hate to see what silver and bronze are like. Because the carpet and the sofa was shocking, mate. Think of Butlins, like the shitty apartments. That's what that was like. Why have I got a fork, mate? Who eats that with a fork? That was gold. I mean, the only thing that was nice was the double bedroom and the ensuite that had a shower. So you had like 2 showers, but the floor and the size, that was supposed to be a wide foot caravan. It was, no. So yeah, I mean, we didn't pay a lot, which is fine, but I just think that shouldn't have been a gold. I would, honestly, if that was a gold, I would hate to think what a bronze was like, or even a silver. So yeah, that let it down a bit. But, you know, other than that, we had a good time. It was good. So now I'm back. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Tommy's asleep on the couch because late nights and all, do you know what I mean? I came home, and my mum has made 2 of these in the fridge for me. I just basically cleaned up my house. She does it all the time, even when my sister goes away. My house was already clean when I left, but like, it'd be like the little things that I didn't do, like maybe under the table. I don't know. It's just her cleaning's different. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, Hope you've all been okay. Back to reality now. I've got a big Easter egg. Half an Easter egg to eat later. I'm going to buy sweet treats. Sweet trees. Oh my god, I needed this. I was actually so hungry. Alright. Wow. It's only because I haven't eaten today. Actually, yeah, loads there. But hey ho, we move. Anyway, what else did I do? Did I want to tell you anything else about that? No, I don't think so. But yeah, that's it. Now we're back. I miss my jalapeños. And mayo. I didn't take mayo. It's fine. It is what it is. Over and out. Have a good day.